You're representing the Philippines. It's an honor, so we're grateful, we're humbled that our film has been selected to represent the Philippines at the Oscars next year. Extremely happy for Direk Lam. Like he said, he risked his life to make this film. And the blessing is that we're here today, and we're very excited. And we're thankful for the trust that we have been given.
Direk Love, being an Academy member yourself, ano pong magiging game plan natin para makakuha tayo ng pwesto doon?
Mahirap kasi. Sa Oscars kasi, butas ng karayom yun. It's more of an election process. So, ang methodology is we have to campaign. Buti na lang, we have distributors sa North America, European distributors. Ito sa Pilipinas din. So, we'll be in good hands. Sa aspetong promotion na lang, malaking bagay na.
Pero direct malaking advantage na kilala ka na. Ng ilang mga...
Sa festival circuit, yeah.
Right. You mentioned kanina na parang literal na buwis buhay.
Yeah, nagkasakit ako ng shoot. So, 7 years and 6 years of shoot, 6 months of shoot. So,
okay.
Yung lamig, it's more, pabayaan ko na sa sarili ko. During the shoot.
Pero kumusta ka na?
Okay na. Anim na bang nagagamot sa tuberculosis?
Tuberculosis.
Saan shoot yun? Sa Pilipinas, sa Spain o Portugal?
Kasama na yan.
Combination na lahat.
Isang buwan sa Europe, ang preparation namin sa Pilipinas, 6 months. Nagtayo kami ng Sydney Village, Malacca Village, so yeah. Mahaba yung shoot.
Direk Love, anong comment mo na sinasabi ng mga reviews na this is your most parang mainstream na film?
Well, sorry.
Pinaka-marketable daw is.
Dahil siguro may Hollywood actor, kaya kasi na malaking plus kaya of course. Kaya kilala siyang actor all over the world. Mahusay rin siya. Yung sensibilidad niya para Pilipino, Mexican. Malaking plus sa atin.
Pero kumusta yung pagkatrabaho ninyo ni Gael? Nag-swak agad din ba kayo?
Magandang katrabaho si Gael. Napaka-intelligent yung actor, pinag-aaralan niya yung character niya. In fact, almost 2 years na pinaghandaan.
Tanungin namin ulit, Direk. Baka magbago kasi isang. Pupunta ba si Gael?
Ewan ko kina Paul, kung magkakala nila si Gael.
Direk Paul?
Direk Paul.
Dadala ba si Gael sa premiere next week?
He's been to the Philippines twice already for the shooting. So he's for the first part he was here for 3 weeks, and then he came back for another 3 weeks. So he really embraced the country. He loved everything about the Philippines. Like Lab said, it's very similar to the Mexican culture. So he's very supportive. He'll definitely be back to support the film. Now, whether it's going to be for our September 10 nationwide screening, will have to surprise you. But he's very supportive, and he knows about the news, and he's excited to also campaign with us. He's going to be very crucial also to the campaign of the film. Especially, we'll be in Toronto, and then I think the New York Film Festival in the next month. So.
Thank you and congratulations!
Aside from winning the Oscars.
Sana mapanood na maraming Pilipino. Kasi nagtatapos siya natin ko. Magandang laging bumalik tayo sa kasaysayan kasi kung tayo nang galing, tayo makakausap kung hindi natin alam ang nakaraan natin. Mahalaga yun. Ang Magellan, mayroon na. Kailangan mapanood ng bayan.
Thank you guys.
Salamat together.
Alright.
Picture po. JD Abulika. Here po. Congratulations po.
Congrats, Direk!
Salamat.
Direct isa pa.
Direk Pao.
Thank you.
Talaga po.
Direk Pao. Direk Pao. Direk.
Picture muna.
Hello.
Kuya Kiko.
Love.
Dito gitna ako.
Work together. Oh, salamat.
Cart mo.
Okay, sige. Hello.
Pwede ba sa gitna?
Hindi, ito muna ang Film Academy na TARP.
Okay lang kahit saan.
Dito muna sa ano.
Hello, magandang hapon. Pasensyahan niyo na kung mahihain ako guys.
Pumesto ka kuya. Kay Ronin. Okay.
Direct,
Go Nat. Go Nat.
anong support can we expect from the government for this campaign? Besides na yung in-announce kanina ni Direct Joey.
Actually, trabaho ng Film Academy of the Philippines na mag-strategize at maghanap ng suporta for the film. No? Makakaasa tayo actually this year na ang national government will be supporting the film. As to how much, inaayos pa namin kasi as you know naman, kaka-appoint lang sa akin, ang trabaho ko ay to-overhaul. Kasama yun sa pag-overhaul natin, na susuportahan natin yung mga pelikula natin for Oscars. Alam nyo, we've been sending so many good films, but people forget it's a financial campaign din eh. Parang when we look at other international films who got in sa shortlist, it was because they had big national government support. And we'll be doing that this year.
Okay. Pero anong next, what's the next first thing after in-announce na ngayon? Anong mga immediate na plans?
For the film.
Yeah.
Okay, ang mangyayari niyan, technically, tinanggap na lang, alam na ng AMPAS na kung ano yung entry natin. So, the production has to apply technically sa online system nila. And then, magkakaroon kami ng series of meetings with the production for the additional grants that we can help. At ang maganda dito, I don't know kung nabanggit nila, the film will be traveling sa Toronto, sa New York, and they are a hub of Academy voters. If you notice, every year ang Toronto, laging nakaano dyan ng Oscars. So if they make a big splash sa Toronto, we actually have a fighting chance this year.
Direct, ano yung consideration? Why Magellan among the top 7?
Okay, ganito unang-una, lahat ng pelikula grabe, hayop talaga. I can argue for each and every film na they're all deserving. There was a criteria na binanggit ko kanina, artistic and technical excellence, yung nabanggit ko kanina, universal appeal, capacity to campaign, if they embody the Filipino value, all of those. At the end of the day, syempre yung 7 nating selection committee, magde-deliberate yan. Ano ba yung kung all things being equal at ng pelikula maganda, ano na ang next step? It is a process, we have to admit and we have to support the process. At the end of the day, we have to choose one. At ang lamang lang, I have to be honest na walang nagkalamang. It was really a very objective decision na kung ano yung mukhang tama this year.
May top 2 daw na pinagpilian. Doon pinagbotohan. Sabi ni Direct Joey.
Sino sabi?
Direct Joey, kanina. Oo. Na nag-tie. So siya naging tiebreaker. Hindi.
Okay, kung na-publicize ni Direct Joey yun, ako, I cannot publicize the system because you have to understand yung system I had to have it approved from AMPAS. So, but if you notice, kilala ko nila Marinela, I'm always transparent. So the system has been briefed sa producers, full transparency, ano ba, paano ang botohan. Pero sa nabanggit ni Direct Joey, I can neither confirm or deny kung meron. Pero I can tell you the system na inagrihan ng lahat ng producers is a very fair and transparent system. Walang lokohan, walang bayaran, walang ganun.
Transparent daw na yun.
Maraming salamat. Parang this year we made sure the public knew kung sino yung contenders kasi previously bigla na lang na-announce, but we wanted to make sure everyone had a fighting chance. All producers were able to campaign sa ano nila. So we updated everyone from AMPAS approvals to the deliberation, kung on the day itself may interview ba or wala. So it was really, really fair.
Thank you, Direct.
Okay.
Thank you.
Sana